Nearly 2 billion shea trees grow naturally on parklands in 21 African countries, stretching from Senegal to South Sudan. The kernels are processed to extract vegetable oil known as shea butter. Shea offers unique benefits in food and cosmetic products worldwide. In March 2018, 44 African countries signed up to the Continental Free Trade Agreement. The African Continental Free Trade Agreement gives birth to the world's largest free trade area since the World Trade Organization, which was formed in 1995. This is a huge market for the shea-based cosmetic industry in Africa and offers great opportunity to grow their business. The Global Shea Alliance, a non-profit association with 500 members from 35 countries, including women's groups, brands and retailers, ingredient suppliers, and NGOs, was set up to promote the industry's sustainability, quality practices, and standards and demand for shea in food and cosmetics. The key development challenges faced by women-owned cosmetic companies are access to markets. Shea-based cosmetic companies are mostly selling nationally and do not access other markets in the region, which limits their customer base and ability to grow and realize economies of scale. Building capacity. Improved capacity in terms of packaging, labeling, and other export requirements. The GSA Quality Initiative seeks to develop and implement quality standards and best practices for kernels and butter. This initiative has the support of the EU, exhibited through this TradeCom 2 funded project. The aim of the project is to promote the harmonization of standards and expansion of market access for shea products manufactured by small women-owned businesses through market linkages and reduce trade barriers.
As a business that supplies our goods to premium outlets within the country and also to the export market, good manufacturing practices are extremely important to our operations. We have very basic and simple processes we go through that makes us meet the standards of good manufacturing practices. First is our premises. We ensure that our premises are kept clean and that they are demarcated in the way as is acceptable according to the standards. Secondly, the employees who are going to implement these manufacturing practices are well trained in doing so. As soon as the raw material arrives, we have various parameters that we are able to check internally. Most of them are very basic physical and visual examinations. Beyond that, we may go to use a few very basic, handheld equipment, viscometers for viscosity, pH meters, These are very, very basic things that will tell you that the raw materials you have received are good for production. We make sure that we also plan the logistics process. That is, moving the product from our end to either to the ports for export products or to the shop or the distributor for local products. So these are basic homegrown solutions we have attached to the very little and basic scientific in-house things we can do. But at the end of the day also, then we use the services of the Ghana Standards Authority and the Food and Drugs Authority to do the main testing. So good manufacturing practice is a process and is something that starts right from the beginning up to the end where the consumer receives the product.